got to. It's all about absolutely. It's a very narrow-minded approach. That people that you've got to actually be right in the centre of where he lives to have a voice. Don't want to go in the water if we don't have to. You know, it damages stuff. Unless you got a fucking submarine. Look what happened to Stockton Rush. Look what happened to him, he's dead. Because he went in the water. In a fucking plastic boat. What was it? Well, what is it? Carbon fibre? What's carbon fibre? It's a fibre. Right. They got somebody to make it for him. And then they all started backing away. Like, very fast. When they were associated with it.